10 years ago, on a cold, dark night, someone was killed beneath the town hall light. There were few at the scene. They all agreed that the slayer who ran, he looked a lot like me. She walks these hills in a long black veil. She visits my grave and the night winds wail. Nobody knows, nobody sees, nobody knows but me.